Good morning to all of you. I would like to give a presentation on the career of web development. My name is Ritik Mehta and I am a current CMNS 1140 student. Let's begin this presentation. I would like to begin this presentation with an interesting quote. Find out what you like doing best and get someone to pay you for doing it. It is an interesting quote written by Catherine Whitehall. Now I would like to give a definition on the web development. Web development is the building and maintenance of websites. It's the work that happens behind the scenes to make a website look great, work fast, and perform well with a seamless user experience. As we know, in the present scenario, all of us is somewhere is dependent on the internet. The internet that we browse consists of a number of websites, web applications, and web pages. These websites and web applications are created or designed by individuals known as web developers. According to my perception, these definitions of web development can be understood by everyone, even first year students who are interested in this career. In the next slide, I would like to cover the education required for career in web development and my personal interest in web development. I have a lot of interest in web development career. I always like to follow a quote in my life: choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. I exactly remembered when I created my first website, it gives me a sense of accomplishment, and my computer science teacher was amazed by seeing my website work. As I told you, I have many personal interests related to this career path. Firstly, I believe that the demand for web developers is huge and it is not going anywhere unless someone shuts down the internet. Because these days, every business needs a website or new features of it. The thing that I love about web development always has been the sole fact that it lets me to create new things out of nothing. I can literally come up with an idea and just bring it to my life only by using my fingers and a keyboard, and I don't need to be a genius nor an artist. I can just learn all needed things on the internet and become a developer. This has always been the most amazing thing about this field for me. This field will give me the opportunity to work as a freelancer. As we know, the freelance web developers enjoy higher wages and more creative freedom. In addition to this, I don't need a degree to begin my career in this field. Even large amount of web developers in tech industry do not have formal qualifications. I can become a part of a community of web development, which will give me a chance to work collaboratively in a team. The community for web developers is huge and it can be a source of technical support and a place with like-minded people. So these are all my personal interests related to this career path. What are the impacts of COVID-19 on web development career? Let's jump on this topic. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected every part of our life. Lives have been lost, flights have been halted, some businesses are booming, some are vanishing, and many others have crumbled. Let's focus on the impact of COVID-19 on this field. The first major significant effect is that the life of web developers has become busier because people movements has restricted due to COVID-19. As a result, most of the businesses give more focus to intensify their online efforts. Most of the business established their websites within a short period of time during pandemic. So we can say that the demand for web developers increased during this time. The another substantial impact is that remote working in web development industry has become more acceptable. It reduced the commute time and developers get more freedom in their work office. This has increased the demand for web developers. Therefore, COVID-19 has increased the probability of working from home. So these are two impacts of COVID-19 on this career path. according to my belief. Let's discuss some of the current challenges or the current issues in the web development field. One of the most difficult challenge that web developers face is the growing number of platforms that websites are expected to work on. The another challenge is of security. The increase in security threats has meant that web developers need to spend more time working on the security elements of their projects. Security is very important in ensuring that a project is kept safe, and so this is something which should be tackled before it gets out of hand. It is important that web development security is not ignored or forgotten about. The another challenge is of website speed. A website that loads in just 1 second before losing the attention of the user is one of the biggest challenges that is faced in the web development field. Web developers must try their best to create a website that loads quickly without sacrificing the features of a website. As we know, speed is the name of the game these days. Developers are under increasing pressure to deliver solution quickly without compromising functionality or security. So these are the current issues in the web development field. Now I would like to discuss about an international trend impacting the web development field. Artificial intelligence is the international trend of web development, as it is a technology that a few businesses and startups are infusing in their setup, as it offers several exciting features in the automated conversation, and that too with human virtual assistant and chatbots such as Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, etc. To describe this technology in simple words, sometimes we do voice searches in our phone by using Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, etc. So these all things are possible only because of artificial intelligence. It is an important trend impacting the web development field, and it is important for us to survive in the technology field. We need to understand, learn and practice this trend for being able to sustain in the fast changing competitive landscape. If I would prepare myself for this international trend, firstly, I will create my projects based on artificial intelligence. Secondly, I will try to speak with those people who have a broad knowledge of this skill so that I can broaden my sphere of knowledge. So finally, we are on the conclusion part of our presentation. According to my perspective, web development is a great career for first year students. The demand for web developers is increasing day by day. This creative field is a boon for the IT sector, and there will be a huge requirement of web development jobs in the coming years. This field is not going anywhere unless someone shuts down the internet. First year students who want to begin their career in this field should pursue a course of web development in Kwantlen Polytechnic University. I have covered all the reasons about my passion of web development in this career research PowerPoint. The life of web developers has become busier, and the remote working in this career has become more acceptable. These are the two impacts of COVID-19 on web development industry. There are many current issues in the web development industry. The first one is to ensure that the website perform well on all browsers that will access it. The second challenge is that developers need to secure the websites from the security threats. And the third challenge for web developers is to give their best efforts to create a website that loads quickly without sacrificing its features. I have also covered a key international trend of web development, which is artificial intelligence. This technology keeps the customer engaged and improving their experiences on websites. I can make myself more employable in this field if I will work on the skills that are required to become a web developer. I would like to show my projects based on latest technology to the companies. I will try to take some online courses of web development from online platforms such as Udemy and Coursera. These things will definitely help me to get started in my career as a web developer. So this is all about this presentation. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and please feel free to contact me if you have any questions related to this career path.